Yoga exercise, harmonize your body and your mind. This ancient technique is among the very best comprehensive treatment systems that exist. In yoga, body, mind, and also spirit are strengthened and tranquil with the practice of asanas, breathing, and reflection. Greater than a method, yoga exercise is a way of living that recovers, looks after as well as strengthens the body, mind, and also spirit with the practice of asanas, breathing, and meditation. Exercised in India for thousands of years, it has become one of the most physical and spiritual fitness systems in our day. Hinduism is just one of the most complex societies in the world. Yoga is part of their spiritual, cultural and social practice. There are messages from thousands of years ago that already discuss practices of reflection, breathing, transcendence of the self and a collection of postures that help the yogi to purify his body, the asanas. There are greater than 100 sorts of yoga. In the West, different designs that originate from Hatha yoga, one of the most vibrant, are recognized as well as exercised. There are extra spiritual ones, such as Kundalini yoga exercise, or even more physical as well as requiring, such as Bikram yoga exercise, which is practiced in a cozy space, at the regular temperature in India. There is also a face yoga exercise to unwind and tone the muscular tissues of the face. What does yoga consist of? Throughout a yoga session, which normally lasts between an hour as well as an hour and a 50%, different asanas or stances harmonized with breathing are exercised, beneficial to both the body as well as the mind. Asanas have differing degrees of problem, from the easiest for beginners, to one of the most severe that advanced students practice. A lot of classes usually start with a workout called Greetings to the Sunlight, which includes a vibrant succession of settings that begin standing and make us drop to the floor to warm as well as lube muscle mass and also joints. All this combined with breathing, which assists us generate heat and body power. After the workout, begin with asanas or fixed placements, constantly carrying out a posture and also its counterposture to function the body as well as muscles in a balanced means. If the course is vibrant, as in the case of yoga circulation, power, dynamic or ashtanga, the asanas will certainly be performed in movement, fluidly. All yoga courses finish with a leisure of concerning 10 or 15 minutes in which you return the mind and body to soothe. Depending on the style of yoga exercise or the teacher, a last reflection can also be done. Yoga exercise can be practiced in a customized facility or sporting activities club or, when the correct method and also asanas have been learned, adhere to a personal method, sadhana, which permits us to exercise and soothe our mind anywhere we are. Benefits of yoga. The method of yoga in any one of its methods creates a terrific adjustment, not only physical, in those that train their several poses, due to the fact that it supplies control, balance as well as inner tranquility. The asanas lubricate the body organs, boost blood circulation and muscle versatility, and help the joints, muscular tissues as well as other parts of the body to work correctly. The asanas not just exercise the muscle mass, strength, endurance and balance, but likewise massage therapy the inner body organs, activate the metabolism. Practicing yoga generally burns lots of calories, especially at rest, the body is oxygenated and also digestive functioning is improved. This holds true of inverted stances, which restore blood circulation, invigorating the body from within. Doing yoga often offers power and also enhances health and wellness, enhances as well as stretches the muscle mass of the whole body, dealing with postural troubles as well as stopping back and also joint pathologies. Exercising yoga exercise will not only change our body, however our power, it will assist us to be more aware of ourselves, to find lots of things that pertain to our soul, to deal with our body in a healthy way, to acquire tranquil and serenity. Yoga exercise is specifically advised for those looking for a physical fitness system that not only trains their body yet permits the mind to function. Hence, it is best for those who experience stress and anxiety and also have sleep issues or clinical depression, and for those who want to create their spiritual part as well as transform their life habits. In a following video clip we will be discussing the different kinds of yoga exercise and pointers for practicing yoga exercise.